Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In our previous video, we showed you how we download the thing, and the download file is placed in a folder which is being monitored by our monitoring system, and it keeps a log of every activity which it does, and it can tell you until what it has been working. It is 1427 at the moment. Until 1426, it has been monitoring it. Okay, so normally in YouTube videos, analytics are updated on our at 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. In the afternoon in our local time. Yeah, and so this is the time that we show you that how we retrieve the data and our reporting system works. That helps us keep an eye on our performance, on our videos, and using our VB expertise, we have developed it. So let me show you that we have opened the two instances of Excel. You know, one is this on which, and if you press Control Tab, so it is not going to any other, although there is the other shell is open. You can see this is the head, and this is open in a separate shell. The proof of this is that when you press Control Tab, it is not going to the other file which is open, right? So this is our Excel sheet monitoring system that keeps an eye on a folder on which the all the downloads day to day have been placed. You know, these are xls.xls. This so these are so until 30. Today is 31st. So this is the time we update. There will be a new entry on the row 16. You will see the as soon as we press here. But for this, first of all, let's go to our site. This is our monitoring of that's telling us that 221 subscribers have subscribed our channel, and this is our day-to-day activity which is being done, and we want to go to the dashboard to refresh that what is the latest dashboard that shows our channel performance dashboard. Okay, that tells 221. The latest video is this. All right, now we go to the channel analytics. In the channel analytics, you can download today's sheet, and that is going to be downloaded on a download folder that is being monitored by our system. As soon as it is downloaded, it's going to be moved to our folder on which the reporting is done, right? So this is an example of the monitoring system of Watchdog, which you can do, you can develop. So this is our consistent date that we always start from the 16th. 16th of June was our first day from when we started working on the YouTube videos. Okay, so this is let it get refreshed. I think it should appear here properly. Yeah, I hope it is. Yeah, 16th June to 30th July. That's right. So we go to the CMO, and this is where we download our file. This is where we download our file. And as soon as it is downloaded, it will be moved by our watchdog, right? So let's download it on the Google Sheet. So it will open this folder. Here you have the chance. You can now download it right here. So it will give you the indication here that, yeah, the file is downloaded, right? Pretty fast. So let's click here to see that it is there. Now it is being moved. Shortly, you will see that it will get moved to our target folder, which is containing all the files. We will show you that where it is being moved automatically, right? So let me take you while it is about to move. Let me show you the folder. This is the folder where it is going moved. Yeah, it is moved, you know, right? Okay. So this is the file on which this is the fresh file. All the other files have been already been incorporated into our report, daily report. So let's double click it and open it. You see, there is no hyperlinks. There is no hyperlinks, and this is the crude shape of this. But when our system will work, it will hyperlink it, and it will be more useful to present it to somebody so that they have hyperlinked all these things so that they know which videos are published when and how much popular are they, look by the number of viewers and how much watch time has been done on this and how many subscribers have been subscribed like this and so on and so forth. Okay, let's close it. So this is our trend analysis sheet. Here we are going to run this report. Okay? It is going to go through all the sheets and prepare the sheet. So now it is working. It is taking first the list of all these totals into it, and later on it is going to plot the graph to tell you that what happened until now, how much is how is the trend in terms of the watch time. You see, this is the trend graph, and this is so this is I will show you this. This is where it gives the files with the hyperlink and make them available to the all the users. So let's say it yes, so that the final thing is also done. That is the final process. And now you have the trend analysis here and showing you that it is started from the 16th of June and until now, how many watch time hours, and the impression click rate through is a percent in terms of the percentage. Okay. So let the process finish, and then I will show you how it helps us to monitor our performance in the YouTube channel. So this is one aspect of VBA utilization, how you can utilize VBA in your day-to-day practices. You may be in different field or in the work of life, and you may have certain need to monitor your day-to-day performance and activity. So all you need to do is plot the data and make them available, and then use your VBA skill set to keep the monitoring, and that will help you assess how far are you away from the target, and how you in which areas you need to make the improvements, and so on and so forth, right? So this will soon finish. It is actually going through. I will show you the code. This is very interesting, and making the files. So what it is doing is that when the users see our video, in the video description, they are given the link to certain files. Those files are being updated on the daily basis, so that they have the hyperlinked information that of other videos, which they can just with the click of button, with the click of the hyperlink, they can go to so watch the other videos available within the channel. Okay. So this is our the graph. If you see, this is the graph, and the performance from yesterday to till today is here. It is, you can see it. Let me make it up. Yeah. And if I move this up, so that the two figures are not confusing each other, right? This are, right? You can see this. Yeah, this one. So let me move. Sorry. You have to place your properly in order to make this rectangle to move. Now you have to move it. So there is you have to keep watching of this cell pointer position, so that if it is positioned in a where it can move, so it will show you that where it is. So you can say this like this, yeah. Okay, so this is where you can put it, yeah, like this. Okay, so you can place your, so 231 was the previous report, 238 is today's report. So 7 hours watch time has been recorded for the last 24 hours. So this is how it works, and this system helps us monitor our performance, our day-to-day performance. Also, if we go to the channel, and the channel has also different reports, like, for example, in the category and the geographic, it tells you that which countries are your channel being watched. So many countries, mashallah, with all these statistics, these are available. So you can also focus on your channel's positioning, and means you can make the decisions that how effectively you can improve your performance, and it gets the more and more viewers in your channel. Okay, so thank you very much. Just wanted to share you about this, and this is one aspect of the Excel VBA, which allows you to automate these things and monitor through the monitoring system and capabilities. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.